Picture yourself standing at the crossroads of financial history. You're witnessing something extraordinary unfold before your eyes, a moment that could reshape the future of money as we know it. Right now, you're living through what might be remembered as the most pivotal time in cryptocurrency's journey. Imagine holding your phone, scrolling through the latest crypto headlines, when suddenly you see it. Standard Chartered's bold prediction of Bitcoin reaching $500,000. Your heart races as you process what this could mean for your future. This isn't just another prediction. This is coming from one of the world's most respected financial institutions. But that's just the beginning of what you're about to discover. You're about to journey through a day that could change everything, from unprecedented market movements to groundbreaking policy shifts under Trump's administration. You'll witness firsthand how the crypto landscape is transforming, from dramatic network halts to strategic government positions that could reshape digital asset regulations forever. Stay with me, because you're about to experience a story that's unfolding right now, one that you're not just watching but actively participating in. This is your front row seat to the future of finance. The Bitcoin Prophecy. Let's dive deeper into what this $500,000 Bitcoin prediction means for you. Jeffrey Kendrick, Standard Chartered's head of digital assets research, is speaking directly to your future. As you process this information, consider how you're witnessing the early stages of a transformation that could rival gold's historic ETF surge. You're not just looking at numbers, you're seeing the pieces fall into place. Those US spot Bitcoin ETFs you've been hearing about? They've already attracted over $40 billion in net inflows. Feel the weight of that number. That's institutional money, smart money, flowing into the space you're watching right now. But here's what makes this moment even more significant for you. Volatility is decreasing. As you watch the market mature, you're seeing something unprecedented. The quality of investment flows improving, options markets expanding, and more institutional players joining the game. The Trump administration's moves are making this even more interesting for you. The repeal of SAB 121 and that executive order on digital asset stockpiles? These aren't just policy changes, they're potential catalysts for the future you're stepping into. The global chess game. You're now entering a global economic chess match where every move counts. Feel the tension as Trump's tariff decisions ripple through the international markets. Mexico, Canada, China, these aren't just names on a map anymore. They're players in a high-stakes game that directly affects your financial future. Watch closely as CoinShares' James Butterfield reveals what this means for you. Those universal tariffs, they're not just trade policies, they're potential accelerants for global de-dollarization. You're witnessing countries questioning the dollar's dominance, and Bitcoin emerging as a hedge against this uncertainty. As you process this information, consider how Bitcoin's network effects are unlike anything in traditional currency markets. You're seeing firsthand how economic instability correlates with Bitcoin's growth. The pause in tariffs against Mexico and Canada, China's retaliation, each move in this economic dance affects the crypto landscape you're navigating. This isn't just about trade wars anymore. You're watching the birth of a new financial order, where Bitcoin serves as a check against government overreach. Every headline you read now carries deeper significance in this evolving narrative. The technical drama. Now, you're witnessing a critical moment in blockchain technology. The XRP Ledger's 64-minute halt isn't just a technical glitch. It's a real-world stress test of blockchain consensus mechanisms playing out before your eyes. You're seeing the delicate balance between security and efficiency in action. Put yourself in the position of those watching the network during those tense 64 minutes. Some observers are raising red flags about centralization risks, while others defend the system's built-in safety measures. You're at the center of this debate, watching as the crypto community grapples with fundamental questions about blockchain design. Look closer at how the XRPL's consensus mechanism works. When more than 20% of validators disagree, the system pauses. A feature, not a bug, designed to protect your assets. David Schwartz, Ripple's CTO, has confirmed no assets were lost, but you're watching an industry-wide conversation unfold about the trade-offs between different blockchain architectures. This incident isn't just about XRP, it's about the future of blockchain technology and the choices we make in building these systems. The regulatory shift. You're now witnessing a pivotal shift in the regulatory landscape. As you observe the SEC's unprecedented moves, you're seeing something that would have seemed impossible just months ago: the scaling down of their crypto enforcement unit. Feel the significance of this moment. Over 50 lawyers and staff members, once focused on crypto enforcement, are being redistributed. But here's where it gets even more interesting for you. You're not just watching the SEC step back, you're seeing them evolve. That new crypto task force, it's not about enforcement anymore. You're witnessing a transformation towards clarity and collaboration, a shift that could directly impact your crypto investments and activities. This isn't just bureaucratic reshuffling. You're present for what could be a historic turning point in crypto regulation. The same agency that once took an aggressive stance is now working to define which crypto assets are securities and improve its relationship with the industry. You're seeing the regulatory landscape transform from adversarial to collaborative right before your eyes. The future unfolds. As we wrap up this journey through today's crypto landscape, take a moment to appreciate the magnitude of what you've witnessed. You're not just an observer, you're part of a transformative period in financial history. From Standard Chartered's bold Bitcoin predictions to shifting regulatory winds, every development you've seen today is shaping the future of digital assets. Think about where you stand right now, at the intersection of traditional finance and crypto innovation. You've seen how Trump's policies could reshape global economics, how technical challenges test blockchain resilience, and how regulatory attitudes are evolving. These aren't just news stories. They're pieces of a puzzle that's coming together before your eyes. The crypto world you'll wake up to tomorrow might look different from today's. Whether it's Bitcoin's path to $500,000, the evolution of blockchain technology, or the changing regulatory landscape, you're positioned to witness and participate in this transformation. Remember, you're not just watching history, you're living it. Stay informed, stay engaged, and keep watching as this revolutionary story continues to unfold. The future of finance is being written, and you're part of its